Hello, everyone. Luminous Premium Car Care proudly reaffirms its commitment to sustainability. As a leading brand in automotive care, we recognize the urgent need to protect our planet and are dedicated to providing eco-conscious solutions that support both customers and the environment. At Luminous, we combine cutting-edge technology with environmentally responsible formulas. Our line of premium car care products offers exceptional performance while minimizing environmental impact. Designed specifically for professional car care centers, our eco-friendly solutions help preserve your vehicle and our planet safely and effectively. Our biodegradable and non-toxic cleaning products deliver powerful results without compromising safety. By choosing Luminous, detailers use formulas that are gentle on the skin, free from harmful chemicals, and fully biodegradable, ensuring a healthier workplace and a cleaner environment for everyone. Eco-safe detailing is no longer a choice. It's the expectation of today's customers. We have developed every product to meet the highest standards of performance and environmental responsibility, empowering our partners to offer exceptional service that supports a sustainable future. Luminous products deliver outstanding, chemical-free results that help professionals build trust with environmentally conscious customers. By adopting sustainable practices, car care businesses can differentiate themselves, reduce their ecological footprint, and contribute to a healthier planet, all while exceeding client expectations. Founded in 2014, Luminous is renowned for its superior range of auto detailing products. Our advanced paint protection films shield vehicles from environmental damage, while our high-quality window films provide heat rejection and UV protection for enhanced comfort. Our ceramic coatings offer long-lasting shine and durability. And our professional-grade cleaning products and accessories provide precision and ease of use, all designed to support eco-friendly car care. Join the Luminous network and contribute to a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future for the car care industry. Visit www.luminous-me.com to explore our full range of eco-friendly products and discover partnership opportunities tailored for you.